two groups have to use this paper. You guys can use like draw one of your ones here.
You got a lot in there. That's looking good.
How many are you getting? You're supposed to get 100?
We can get
Well,
1,000.
you have to, we're going to multiply how many votes you would need to get 100.
Okay.
So the more in that you get in, the better. This vote is looking good.
How many do you have so far?
I don't know.
How many?
Wow.
She said 21.
Yep.
Wow.
They're getting all 100 in this vote.
Oh, that's great.
Boys against girls, I'd say.
You just draw a line from where you're going to have Barbies start, and then you measure when she's dropped how far she goes. So you use that to put them on their side.
We'll get some more dice.
How many do you have now, Bianca? 40.
Holy cow.
Wow. 40. This we're only going to need 2 votes.
So far. In the first vote.
Drop phone.
Nope, circles. The more surface area, the less water will sink it. The water is a very strong substance.
Boys, how many do you have? How many?
How many are you at right now? Oh my God.
19.
18 and 19, I mean 20.
And it doesn't even seem to be sinking, so that's a good strategy, leaving it thin.
Yeah, I think
like a
it's just
bar.
going to hit the bottom from being so heavy.
That's really not sinking though, is it? Because
Well, yeah.
Need some dice.
It'll eventually, I think, sink once it gets heavy enough.
so how many do you have now? 63.
Oh, who's floater? They had 12.
4, 65, 66, 67, 68, 9, okay, 70.
You guys aren't pirates. You can't.
Hey, I'm a pirate.
Uh-oh. Getting close. I think is there water in there? I think one more dice might be yours.
Oh, we're good.
Yeah, it looks. Is there water in there? Oh yeah. Yep, it's over.
There she goes.
How many's in there? Yeah, you can take your boat out and count.
82.
Goodness. It looks
I bet you guys have never seen this.
No. We weren't expecting this many in. It looks like the water's about to come over the edge. Maybe.
I don't want to send any parties to the hospital. How many aluminum foils did you use? 2.
There's 91 in here. Oh my God. Well, you guys get some more trials, so you think we can I see the rest of those dice? How many did you get? 27.
So, man overboard.
Oh my goodness.
How many is that?
I think it's touching
We like the bottom, cheese.
Touching the bottom.
Oh, now it is, yeah.
On that wrinkle, move it over maybe.
For each new trial, when they build
There. Oh,
Oh, there it went. So they
There's
get
98 in here.
wow. 98. Good luck, everybody.
a lot of dice.